Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikil, Discover, Learn and Grow. So in this particular video, we'll be learning about Startup Venture Framework, right? Startup Venture Framework as well as with a case study related to Startup Venture Framework. In the previous video, we have learned about mergers and acquisitions, right? So now we'll be learning about Startup Venture Framework as well as with a case study. So what is Startup Venture? Startup Venture करके. So it's a step-by-step guide to build, grow, and scale a business, a startup successfully. Basically, if you want to start a new business, we will be following the startup venture framework, right? If the client, if the client want to start a new business, right? The client want to start a new business, he will be coming to management consultant, and he will be taking some suggestions, recommendations of the management consultant. He will be giving some strategies and solutions and recommendations related to startup venture framework and all these things. Okay. So basically, it is used by entrepreneurs, investors, and consultants to analyze or build a new businesses. As simple as that, right? So entrepreneurs will be using by because they are the one like who are ready to build the business, right? As well as investors. Investors are the one who will be investing in the business. So they will be also following the startup venture framework as well as consultants in order to give the solutions, in order to give the recommendations for a startup venture. We need to know the startup venture framework. So that is the reason why these all people will be using the startup venture framework, right? So the framework in 6 steps. So first, we have to identify the problem. Second, we have to know who is our target customer. Third, we have to position our unique value proposition or unique selling point, right? Next, business model, how we will be earning money. Karke. Next, go to market, how we will be reaching people. And growth or scale plan is nothing but how we will be expanding. And we will be learning about all this in these slides and in this video. So first is problem identification, guys. So let's see what is the first point in problem identification step. What problem are you solving? So your problem statement should be very, very clear. Why? Because if you have the perfect problem statement, you will be building the perfect product, right? If there is no perfect problem statement, your product will be also not perfect. So as simple as that. So basically, your problem statement should be very clear. So let's see the second point. Is it real, urgent, or painful? So our problem, we are building the product with the help of our problem statement, right? Is that product satisfying the customers? Is that product solving the problems of the customers or not? Is that product delighting the customers or not? Satisfying the customers or not? करके we will be checking that. That is the problem identification step, guys. Nothing. Problem identification माने तो your problem statement should be very clear. What is the problem you are solving for the society? What is the problem you are solving? I will be trying to say in the simpler terms. So problem. What is the problem you are solving so that it can satisfy, it can solve the problems of the user. What problem are you solving, right? So you'll be building some product, right? That product is built with some problem statement. If you have the perfect problem statement, you will be building the perfect product. If you don't have the perfect problem statement, you will not be building the perfect product, right? So basically, problem statement should be very, very clear so that you can build the perfect product. Example, people don't have healthy breakfast options during travel. So that is a problem statement. Management consultant, we as a management consultant or product manager found the problem statement, right? So second one is target customer, guys. Target customer is nothing but who is exactly your customer, who will be buying your product, right? So we will be doing we will be what you can say, we will be segregating. We will be dividing customers into different categories, different segments with the help of a demographic segment, with the help of a psychographic segment, with the help of a different type of segmenting techniques. I have explained you in the marketing management courses. So we will be segregating, we will be dividing the customers into different segments, and in that segments we will be finding our target customers, right? Not all segments will be our customers, right? So in that particular segments, we will be checking who are our target customers करके, target segment करके. So know their age, habits, income, pain points. So basically, we will be doing different segments, and in that segments, as I said, you not everyone will be our target customer. So in that segments, you will be identifying the target segment. You will be identifying the target customer base, right? So yeah, that is nothing about second point, target customer. Example, working professionals who travel often. So those are the target customers. So basically, let's say school kids is one of the segment. Working professionals is one of the segment, and elderly people are one of the segment. 40 plus people are one of the segment, as well as 60 plus people are one of the segment, right? So in those segments, not all are our customers, not all are our target customers. So we have identified our target customers. That is nothing but only working professionals will be our target customers. So different segments may also buy the product, like children may buy the product, or elderly people may buy the product, but these working professionals are there, right? These working professionals are majority, right? So they will be buying our products more often. The sales will be coming from more working professionals only. That is the reason why we have kept working professionals as our target customer or target segment, as simple as that. So first step is problem identification. You have to be clear with your problem statement or problem identification things. Next, target customer. You have to do segments and you have to find your particular target, particular niche, right? Niche is nothing but a particular small group of segment, right? Yeah. Next, UVP, that is also called as USP, unique value proposition or unique selling point. What makes your product or service special? What is the special thing? What is the special feature, or what is the special attribute, or what is the special parameter which makes your product special and which makes your product popular? So you have to think that also. Why should someone buy your solution? Why should someone buy your solution? As simple as that, right? Is it giving benefits to them or not? Is it delighting the customer or not? Is it satisfying the customer or not? So what are the special features? What are the special features which is delighting or which is satisfying the customer? So what are the special features which is not available in your competitors is available in your product? So you have to check the USP too. That is nothing but unique selling point or unique value proposition, right? So example, instant healthy ready to drink a breakfast smoothies in eco bottle. So this is the unique selling point or UVP, unique value proposition. It is providing a value, right? Competitors does not provide this kind of product, but we are providing the product which is instant healthy and ready to drink breakfast smoothies in eco bottle. So eco-friendly customers will also be buying this, as well as working professionals also will be buying our product. So that is the UVP, USP, right? So yeah, we need to check our UVP as well as USP, unique selling point or unique value proposition. Next, business model. Business model is nothing but simple. How you will be making money, right? How you will be making money, what is the business model of your company, how you will be making money, how you will be generating revenue, how you will be generating profits and all those things, right? It is based on a financial things, guys. Business model monitor financial things. So basically business model is nothing but how you are making money, how you are generating revenue, how you are making profits, right? So yeah, example, product is nothing but a smoothie packs. Price is nothing but a 99 rupees. So this is how we will be generating the revenue. Next, distribution. So third one is distribution. So how you will be distributing, how you will be promoting your product, where you will be selling your product. Online stores may sell karega or offline stores may will you sell karke. So basically based upon these things, based upon the four piece of marketing, we will four piece as well as seven piece of the marketing. When coming to services, it will be seven pieces. When coming to products, physical tangible products, it will be four pieces. When coming to intangible products, that is nothing but services and all these things, there will be seven pieces. So I have explained about four piece and seven piece in my marketing management course. You can go and check there, right? So based upon four piece and seven piece, as well as some different other factors, we will be making the business model, right? Business model is nothing but how we will be making the money. Business model concerns, it has a concentration on financials of the company and all these things. So next is go to market strategy. Go to market strategy is nothing but how you will be reaching your customers, right? So yeah, how will you reach your customers? As I said, how you will be reaching your customers, how you will be communicating with your customers about your product. So launch strategy, marketing, early traction. So launch strategy, you will be going with the different strategies, different launch strategies like digital marketing, discounts, like penetration and all those things, skimming and all those things we have learned in the pricing strategy framework, right? So launch strategy, may you will be implementing some of these frameworks to attract the customers. So that your customers will be buying your product and they will be the first time buyers, right? So yeah, So marketing, how you will be doing the marketing, how you will be doing the marketing, what are the marketing strategies you will be implementing so that you can attract the customers and all those things. Early traction. Example, influencer collabs. So that is one of the launch strategy. That is how you will be entering the market. That is also called as go to market strategy. uh, Office trial samples. So office trial samples be doge. That is also one of the launch strategy of the GTM. That is nothing but go to market strategy. Next is startup exposure. So you will be doing startup expose to. That is also one of the GTM strategy. That is nothing but go to market strategy. So growth and scale plan. How you will be growing, as simple as that, right? How will the startup grow over time? As simple as that. Add new cities, new flavors, a B2B order. So once you are established in one city or one country, you will be thinking to grow, right? You will be thinking to expand to different cities or different countries. So you will be going with the growth strategies too, right? You'll be thinking in the growth strategy perspective too, right? Example, expand from metro cities, pan India, export. So this is how you will be planning a growth as well as scale plan. So these are the six things for the startup venture framework. That is nothing but first is problem identification, where your problem statement should be very clear so that you can build the perfect product. Next, target customer. Target customer is the one who will be buying your product, who will be they are the segment who will be buying your products more often. Like 70 to 80% of the people will be in the target segment only, who are buying your product करके. Next is UVP or USP. UVP माने तो unique value proposition and USP माने तो unique selling point, right? So what is the unique selling point, or what is the unique value proposition your product is offering, which other competitors are not offering in the market? Next is business model. Business model is nothing but how you are generating the money, how you are generating the revenue, and how you are generating the profit. It all depends on the like financials. A business model is nothing but the financials of the company. How you will be generating profit and losses and all these things. How will you basically how you will be making money? Go to market strategy. Go to market strategy is nothing but how you are reaching your customer, how you are communicating with your customer about your product. Next, growth and scale plan. That is nothing but you can understand by reading the line only, right? Growth माने तो growing the company, expanding the company, as well as scale माने तो बहुत बड़ा, like large, right? So growth and scale plan be you will be doing when following the startup venture framework. So in this slide, we will be checking the consultants checklist, guys. We will be learning about consultants checklist. We will be learning about areas and what to ask. Problem. Is it real and painful? So basically, are you solving the real and painful problem? Kya? So that we will be building a product with the help of our problem statement, right? So is it solving the pain points? Is it solving the pain points of the customer? Is it satisfying the customers or not? Is it delighting the customers or not? करके we will be checking that. We will be asking that. So this is a checklist, right? So we will be checking the problem statement and problem identification are clear or not करके. Customer, who is exactly your customer, right? Customer is nothing but a target segment who will be buying your products more often, right? Which segment will be buying your products more often? In our case, working professionals is our target customer, right? Next, UVP is nothing but a USP also. USP, unique selling point. UVP, unique value proposition, which is providing the value, which is differentiating. It is differentiating from your competitors, right? It is different from your competitors. So UVP or USP is nothing but what is the wow factor? What is the differentiator from your competitor, right? So basically, your competitor is not providing that future or that benefit in their product, but you are. UVP is nothing but what is the valuable thing in your product. Why customers should be attracting to your product? Why customers should be using your product? करके. So that is nothing but UVP or USP, unique selling point or unique value proposition. Money. How does it earn? Is it problem? Simple, guys. It's nothing but a business model. How the company earns, how the company generates revenue, as well as how the company generates profits. करके. So next is GTM. Can it get customers faster? So basically, it is about how you will be reaching your customers, how you will be communicating with your customers, so that they will be attracted to your product, and they will be buying your product. करके. So how better you will be, how better and how best you will be reaching to your customers, or how better or best you will be communicating with your customers is nothing but a GTM strategy. There are various GTM strategies, guys. We'll be learning about GTM in product management too, right? I will be saying you clearly about GTM strategies. Next, growth. Is it scalable? What's the next 5 year vision, right? So basically, growth is nothing but a next 5 year long term goal, strategic decisions, and all these things, long term goals of the company. So let's take a mini case study, guys. 1 minute, I cannot see it due to Zoom pop up. Case study, Snack Box startup. So Snack Box is a startup, and they are our clients, and they want to start a new company, and they are seeking our help as a management consultant. We need to give them some suggestions. So first idea, deliver healthy snacks to office employees every Monday. So that is the idea, or that is the problem identification. UVP, what is the unique selling point, or what is the unique value proposition of your startup or your product, right? So weekly curated snack boxes with a new item. So that is the USP, right? New items weekly hoga. Next, target customers. Tech companies in Bangalore. So tech companies are the target customers of our product. Next, revenue. Subscription model is our revenue model, revenue business model. So that with the help of this business model, we will be generating revenue as well as we will be generating profit. So next is growth plan, guys. Growth plan may expand to colleges, metro stations, and airports. So they will be not implementing this immediately, but after 5 years, after 10 years, or after 1 2 years, they may implement this. So this is all about a startup venture framework, guys. Startup venture framework as well as startup venture case study. So yeah, in the from the next video, we will be learning about guesstimates and all those things. Bye.